Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to tell you all about the new IdeaFormer IR3 V2 Infinite Z-Axis Auto-Leveling 3D Printer Review. The IdeaFormer IR3 V2 is a notable addition to the 3D printing market, particularly appealing to makers, small businesses, and hobbyists due to its unique Infinite Z-Axis feature. This printer boasts a substantial print volume of 250 by 250 x infinity mm, facilitating the production of long parts ideal for various applications such as signage and cosplay props. Key features include automatic bed leveling, enhancing first-layer adhesion and print consistency, and a high-speed printing capability of up to 400 mm per second, which can significantly reduce production times. The IR3 V2 delivers high precision with a printing accuracy of plus or minus 0.2 mm and offers flexibility with slice thickness options between 0.1 mm and 0.4 mm. A wide range of materials, including PLA, PTG, ABS, TPU, and wood, enabled by its standard 1.75 mm filament diameter. Wireless connectivity allows for remote operation, while cross-platform compatibility helps it seamlessly integrate with Windows, Linux, and Mac operating systems. The printer utilizes IdeaMaker slicing software, which is user-friendly and supports G-code format. Constructed in mainland China, the IR3 V2 features a robust and functional design without excessive aesthetics. Performance-wise, its Infinite Z-Axis capability allows for innovative long-format modeling, maintaining consistent quality and accuracy even at high speeds. Flexibility with materials and a heated bed, which operates at a maximum of 90 degrees Celsius, ensures reliability, although this temperature may limit some high-temperature filament uses. Strengths of the printer include unlimited print length, convenient setup via auto bed leveling, exceptional speed and precision, extensive filament compatibility, and adherence to CE safety standards. However, it lacks dual extrusion capability, limiting it to single material prints, and may not feature a modern touchscreen interface, which could be a drawback for some users seeking advanced UI features. Thanks for watching. Check out the video description for updated price.